Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you on how you can create your own cute paperweights with these stones. And I'm going to show you how you can use our rice decoupage papers in this video along with our own decoupage glue and varnish. So let's start with the video. Before starting the video, let me tell you, for those who all are new here, our brand Areen deals in the manufacturing of premium range of craft supplies. So if you are a crafter and you are looking out for a good quality of crafting products, then we are definitely a one-stop solution for all of you. And before starting the tutorial, I would like you to just like, share and subscribe our channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for regular updates. The links are given in the description. So let's start with the tutorial. So friends, here I have taken some pebbles and I have already painted them white with our white chalk paint. So this is how it was before painting, and now I'm going to show you how you can just give a coat of white. So the color I'm using here is Glorious White by the Areen Artistry. Now you can use a sponge here, or you can use a flat brush as well. Both the ways you can do it. If you're doing it with a sponge, you have to just dab it, and if you're doing it with a brush, just a simple coat. Before applying the color, please make sure that you clean the rock and wipe it nicely, and then start painting it. So we will do it in two parts. We'll just cover the upper layer of the stone first, and we will let it dry, and then we'll paint it white from underneath as well. I'm covering the sides and all the edges as much as I can. And we're gonna let it dry now. You can use a dryer for this purpose as well. So friends, I have done coating on the upper side, and as you can see, we need one more coat here to get a proper coverage. And I want a real nice white background before doing the decoupage. So I'm going to do one more layer here, and now I'm going to color the back side of the stone as well with the white coat. So I'm going to do it off the camera, and once it is done, it's going to look like this. The complete stone that is being colored with two coat of white. So this is how it has to look. So this I'm going to do off the camera, and I'm going to show you soon. So friends, I have painted all my stones and I have given them twice coats. So this is how they are looking. And now I'm going to take decoupage paper. So our rice decoupage papers are very thin, very fine. They are 35 GSM, as you can see. And in every pack of decoupage paper, you get two different sheets, or we are having a set of individual sheets as well. Like in this one, you will get the same of two sheets. So you get two sheets like these. The Voyage theme set of papers, and these are the two designs that you get in the paper, and I'm going to use this one more. So let's start with our decoupage. So I'm going to set this part on this stone, and what I'm going to do here is, now these are very thin papers, so you don't have to use scissor for cutting them. You can use a flat brush, dip it in water, and I'm just gonna roll the brush on the paper, and I'm gonna tear it. See, like this. So I'm removing the edges also, and I'm doing it very randomly because the design of the paper is in such a way that you don't have to plan it much. So this is how I'm gonna paste it. Now for pasting, I'm gonna use my decoupage glue. Now the decoupage glue by Areen is a very good quality of glue, and it is having that perfect consistency. It is neither very liquid nor it is very thick. So I'm just directly applying the glue on the stone itself, and now with the help of a flat brush, I'm just gonna spread it. You can see how quickly I'm able to spread it. So the consistency is very proper, and neither it is very much sticky nor it is flowing a lot. Just make sure you cover each and every part of the stone. So I've applied the glue, and now I want to take my decoupage paper. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add few cuts randomly. You can do this with the help of water as well, the way I have showed you earlier. The same way you can cut it with water as well. And now now after cutting it, I'm sticking it. So after sticking on the front side, now I'm applying glue on the back side wherever the glue was less or wherever it is required. So I'm just taking glue on my brush this way, and I am applying it on the stone. Now the extra paper, wherever the decoupage paper is extra, that I'm going to remove with the help of wiping it with water. See, so this is how it is looking from the front, and we're going to finish it from the back side as well once it is dry. So we'll wait for it to dry. Scissor. इससे कर लेती हूँ. So friends, here I have used my another decoupage paper, which is having a very vintage look and beautiful butterflies. So again, you can see how I am breaking up my paper and I'm sticking it in pieces. Because the stones are round, so we need to cut them in pieces, and then we will be able to stick them properly. See, like this. So friends, I'm using my royal wedding color here for covering the back side of the paper, and I'm gonna give a little bit of shading of Snowfield as well. to blend the paper properly to the base. So here I am blending my royal wedding color and snowfield color on the edges of the paper so that I get a proper blend of color. And again, a complete blend of colors on the back side as well. And I'm going to let it dry. So friends, I have done the decoupage and I have done the base coloring as well. And now I'm going to use my varnish. So I'm directly applying the varnish on the paper. And with the help of a brush, I'm going to spread it. Now the varnish by Arene is it gives a very thin layer on the base. It is not very sticky. And it is not having very much extra shine. So if you want to keep the matte look intact, that is also possible by using a varnish. See, so I've given the layer of varnish. Now there is a very light sheen on the base and I can still see the matte effect of the paper. In the same way, I'm gonna cover all the four stones, and I'm gonna cover it from the back side as well. So friends, I have done the varnish on all the four bases from the front and the back. You can see, and now we can add water also in it. You can wipe it also. You can wipe it with water as well, but the paper would be intact. The color would be intact. Let me just show you. So here I'm taking water and see, drying it again. And it's all set. So this is how you can use our decoupage paper or glue or varnish or chalk paints, and you can create your own cute paperweights, or these are really cute, can be used for gifting as well. So I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for being with us. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take good care of yourself.